Workshop is like a second home to me, where it has all the machines ranging from lathe to advanced machining to CNC, which helps me understand all the basic necessities in the world of engineering. It also has given me an opportunity to work in here, to work in competitions ranging from design to make bicycles and for EV.
And I would say more than the expensive machines, we have got a wonderful lab assistants who are ready to help us at any time.
Now, currently we are working on a prototype for an electric vehicle competition where we are making an e-bike. And workshop has provided all the instruments for us, ranging from welding to lathe machine and to advanced CNC for precision parts.